Alright guys, so we made it home, and here's the damage on the truck. As you can see, the bracket is broken here on top. We got a small crack here on this radiator support. This section here, I'm not too sure, that's the lower support for the grill, but that's gone, and we're missing a trim here, like this one. Oh, and the bumper. So the bumper's bad. We're missing the center section, and as you can see, there's only one nut on here, and they actually loosened up the bumper so it wouldn't damage the tire and they could move it. You can see the damage here on the tire. Other than that, it's very dirty. I was gonna take off the battery here, and the hold down piece was already removed. So I'm gonna just take the two terminals off there and run to the store. All right guys, I got the Super Start battery installed. This is a 730 cranking amps versus a 600 they were trying to sell me. And now we're gonna check out the inside. And it's a 2015, so it has to look nice. And looks pretty nice to me. And usual with the 2015s, there's a plastic that breaks on the seats, so I got to repair that. And this is dirty, but you can't really tell. You can see all the dirt on there. Moment of truth. There you go. So I gotta clean all this. Floor mats. Got some toilet paper there. Some Blue Monster rags. The back seat's not that bad. I think there's a cover that's probably missing here. Who knows? The interior lights don't turn on yet, so that's leading me to believe there's a fuse that powers my internal lights and my radio. Windows work. The motor sounds real good. I mean, nice, and I don't know if the word is steady. I mean, there's no shaking on here. Do got to change the oil on it. I think it has about 9,000 miles if the sticker's accurate. All right, so the shocks are bad on here. Nothing useful. Trash. These are aluminum beds, so either I weld this, or I'll just put some rivets in there for the meantime. And I thought this truck was 4x4 when I bought it, and it's a two-wheel drive. And the tailgate, I really couldn't open it. Other than that, came with free jumper cables. Came with a free bracket here for the fire extinguisher. The tool chest. This box that I can't open. Another fire extinguisher bracket. The floor mat there on the bottom, or bed mat. It's about $100. All right, guys. So here's the passenger side once again. A lot of potting soil, or loose clay, caliche, whatever. So it needs a good cleaning there. We got some orifice plates, so then we know this truck was a spare used by measurement technicians and operators, because we got all the plungers in the back. Take a look here real quick. So I can do this one-handed. So the MSRP was $34,000 on this truck. And there's some of the information on there. Not too sure what transmission it has. But yeah. So this was an old ConocoPhillips truck. That explains a two-wheel drive. This, I don't know how it got damaged, but it's messed up. Hebronville, Texas. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this truck needs a good cleaning. Ooh, I got some rags here. I got a hard hat. Yeah. So I'll see you in a bit, and we're gonna start cleaning the truck up and see how it looks.